Hi everyone, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this Raffia Sunburst mirror. Now this project did take me quite a bit of time, but you're really just doing one step over and over as you are tying the raffia onto the wreath form. But I think the time that it takes for this project is so worth it because I think it really can be a cool accent piece for any spot in your home. To begin, you will first unravel all of the raffia. You will then take a tape measure or ruler and you will measure out about 9 inches. And then you will cut the raffia to that length. You will then repeat those same steps and cut another bunch of raffia to that 9-inch length. This will be enough to get you started, but as you continue to fill the frame with raffia, you will have to cut more of it as you go. To attach the raffia to the wreath form, we're going to use a knot called the lark's head knot. And to begin, you will first fold the raffia completely in half. Put the loop side down or facing you, lay it on top of the wire, pull that loop towards the back, and then pull the ends through, and then pull it tight to secure the knot. Continue to use this knot to tie raffia completely around the most outer ring of the wreath form. As you tie each piece of raffia onto the wreath form, you will want to make sure that they are pushed together and tightly packed so that you don't see any of the wreath form. When you get to that middle bar, you will thread the raffia behind that bar and then pull the loop through the back to meet at the very top of that outer ring, and then pull the ends through that loop, creating a knot. Continue to tie the raffia onto the wreath form. You are going to work from the outside in, and we are going to do 3 sorts of layers. So the first, second, and third sort of circles as part of the wreath form are what you will cover in raffia. This does take a very long time. You have to tie on a lot of raffia for this project, and I actually broke up the work into 2 days, and I'd suggest that you might even want to do 3 days because it does take a lot of time. But put on some music, maybe a podcast, and enjoy it. You will leave the inner circle of the wreath form empty. So once you have finished covering the 3 layers, the 3 outside circles of the wreath form with raffia, you will then take E6000 and put it over the knots that you just tied on the inner circle. You will then place the mirror on top of it. Let the E6000 completely dry, then you will flip it over and again put some glue where the mirror meets the wreath form. Let the glue dry, and then you'll probably want to clean off the mirror with some glass cleaner, but then after that you can display your mirror. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies needed to make this mirror at craftsdirect.com/projects.